Hello dear friends, welcome back to this channel and new video. Getting your first 1000 subscribers is crucial to becoming eligible for the YouTube Partner Program and being able to monetize your videos with ads. Hitting that subscriber count and a minimum amount of watch time, 4,000 watch hours of long-form videos in the last 12 months, is probably not easy for beginner YouTubers. If you are a small and beginner YouTuber, you haven't completed 1000 subscribers and 4000 watch hours yet, but you want to earn money with your small channel, you can do it. Follow the full video. I show you 3 ways to monetize your small channel and earn money with that. Even your channel is monetized, you can make extra money with these 3 methods. Let's start the video. Go to adstera.com and log in as a publisher. If you don't have an account on Adstera, click on the link in the description and create an account for you, then watch videos about Adstera in the video description. From dashboard, click on direct links. For monetize your traffic with Adstera direct links, you need to follow these 3 steps. First, create direct link. Second, put the link to your destination. 3, track and make changes. As you can see, I already have several active direct links. You can also create by clicking the Create Direct Link button to request your first link. Select your direct link category, adults or non-adult, then click Add. As you see this down, new direct link status is pending. It takes a few minutes to become active link. For that, refresh your page. After your link status become active, copy the link and go to your YouTube channel video, open the description of the video and paste the link here. For check your income, go to Statistics and do filter or group by domain. Here you can see your direct links and domain name informations and income. In this page you can check how many impressions and clicks got your domain and direct links, and how much is your income. Second way to make money with Adstera on your channel is referral or invite link. By refer new publishers to Adstera network, you earn 5% of their revenue lifetime. The more people you refer, the more income you can get. Copy the link and paste it to your video description and ask your viewers to register on Adstera by using your invite link. Another place to add referral links to invite your friend is your channel banner. For that, click to your profile picture and your channel. In this page, click on Customize Channel, then Basic Info. On this page you can add your social media links, like I have linked. You can also add your Adstera referral link here. It's my referrals list, that friends sign by using my referral links. And as you can see, for every sign up I get 5% commission. Another way to monetize your channel without 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch time is Adstara affiliate program. Log in as an affiliate, if you don't have an account yet as affiliate. Check out the video in description of this video. Here as you can see the direction how it works. First, choose offer and get link. Second, send traffic. Third, get paid. You can choose and filter offers by vertical, payout amount, conversion type and geography. Here scroll down, you can find over 100 offers, you choose the best on for you. CPA marketing, short for cost per action marketing, is a type of affiliate marketing used by businesses of all sizes to scale their marketing efforts and reach a wider audience. This involves partnering with an influencer, blogger, or publisher who promotes your products in exchange for a commission fee. Affiliates drive traffic to advertisers' websites aiming at making lots of conversions. Advertisers pay the affiliates for each click or conversion earned. Advertisers are always looking for ways to promote their products or service. After you got suitable offers for you, click to get offer and request for a link. Or get the offer link to promote, click on my offers. Then get the direct link and go to your video description.